Hazrat Ibn Jurayj narrates that Ibn Shihab told me the prophetic way of mutual imprecation by the hadith of Sahel bin Sa'ad Sayyidi radiyallahu anhu, that one of the Ansar visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, should a man watching a man with his wife committing adultery kill him, or what should he do? So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent down concerning him the command about the mutual imprecation in the Quran. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has passed the decree about you and your wife. The reporter says, then they both invoked mutual imprecation in the mosque, whereas I was also present there. When they had done so, the men submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, now if I keep her with me, I will be taken as a liar. So he had given her 3 divorces before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued any order. When they both had invoked mutual imprecation, he separated his wife before the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The reporter says, it then became a precedent for those who wished to invoke mutual imprecation. Ibn Jurayj narrates that Ibn Shihab said, after then it became a practice that those who invoked mutual imprecation were separated. That woman was pregnant and the child was associated with his mother. Ibn Shihab narrates that thereafter it became a tradition that the woman would inherit the child and the child would inherit the woman, as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has determined the rights. Hazrat Sahel bin Sa'ad Sayyidi reports that this hadith adds that the Prophet said, if the woman bears a reddish and short-statured, as if he were a wahara, red lizard-like animal, the woman is true, and she was maligned with adultery. But if she delivers a large black-eyed and large buttocked child, I then think that the man is true. When the child was born, he resembled the one who caused the ignominy. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5309.